This 2026 Forest River Surveyor Legend X29 Camp is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 10, spare tire kit, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, oven, TV antenna, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Surveyor Legend X29 Camp is 6,513 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.